to me. Very strong cheekbones and jawline. Let me see what I would do with this. I don't know. It's funny. Hey, what's going on? I see old Daryl is on there right now. I didn't know Daryl was on there. What's going on, Daryl? I'm sorry, I couldn't see my I couldn't see my my other phone because I'm filming in two different directions. So I got my phone way up here, so I couldn't see your comment. But also, man, I believe I was just thinking about you the other day, actually. So, man, what a pleasant surprise, huh? Yeah. All right, let me see here. Okay, I think that one looks pretty good. Not too bad for an old man, huh? Hey, what's going on, Gordon? How are you today? What's going on? Okay. So I got my my comical version of Reese Witherspoon. I think that looks like her. I just left out, I didn't put all those wrinkles. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.